Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple website for a gym instructor using OLITT Website Builder. With OLITT, I'm going to show you how to add text, change the text color, change the text font, how to add images, and finally, how to connect your own domain and name your website. So I'll log into my OLITT account. Once logged in, I'll click on Create Website. And the template you're going to use for this tutorial is in the health and beauty category, and it's called OLITT Gym. So we'll click Create from OLITT Gym. So we can decide to connect our domain at the get-go, but let's visit the site first and see how it looks like, and then once we're done editing, I'll show you how to simply connect your own domain. So this is how the website looks like. As you can see, it's quite simple. It's a one-page website. So I'm going to show you how to change this text color, how to change the images, also how to change the description. As you can see, it's CrossFit training, fitness. You're going to add certain descriptions there. And finally, how to add our own social media links and our own description. As you can see, it's quite simple. So let's dive into it, and I do believe once this tutorial is over, you'll be able to head over to OLITT and create your site for free with free SSL and web hosting. I'll start off by showing you how to change the text color and the text font. So I'll click on the header, and you come to typography. For the color, we can decide to use something different. You can decide to use purple or blue, and you can choose the shades by just dragging here. Once you're done, you click OK. And for the font family, you just come to font family, and you can choose which suits your brand. As you can see, it's quite simple. So once you're done with that, you can decide to even align it. It can be in the middle, as simple as that. So once you're done, let me change this text. Instead of get your body fitness with fitness here, let me change it to get your body fitness with the freelance gym instructor. As simple as that. So once you're done, we can come to this button for read more. So the next section is the about section. I'd like when my users come to my website, whenever they click the read more, it redirects them to the about section. So first off, we'll start off by clicking on this section for about, then click on settings, and as you can see, the ID is about. I'll come back to this link, click on it, go to settings, and for this link I'll put hash about, and the target is on this window. So this means every time any user clicks on read more, it will drag them to this section, and they can read more about the freelance gym instructor. So this is my logo. For the description, I write something as simple as I am an experienced gym instructor with over 10 years gym instructor for over 10 years. We can add something smaller. I have partnered with any gym to help you achieve your fitness goals. So once you're done with that bit, we can go to the services section. As you can see, I offer 6 main services: strategies, workout, health, dynamic strength training, fitness, and crossfitting. So when clients come to crossfitting, it has a little description. The same for fitness, the same for dynamic strength, health, workout. And I just like to show you how you add this simple description. So you click on strategies. Is a general plan to help you achieve your goals. As you can see, it's quite simple. So once you're done with that, we can go to the why choose the freelance gym instructor. So I've just listed some of the reasons users should trust me, help them achieve their fitness goals. I have quality equipment. I have a nutrition plan. I have a shower service once the training is done. And finally, I'm unique to your needs. Then we can go to the testimonials. So this is a client. We can write something as simple as, in over 6 months, the gym instructor, the freelance gym instructor, helped me achieve my goals. As simple as that. So we can come to this bit. As you can see, it's just it's a short description where I'm trying to get my users to trust me as a gym instructor. I'm saying we offer live stream or in-person classes, private workshops, and retreats. So basically, this is what I offer. You can come in person, or we can do this via Zoom or any other video conference platform that is out there. So for the contact, this is the maps. As you can see, I'm in France. This is the contact form. The next bit, finally the footer, we'll write something as simple as, so about Energy. This is the gym I've partnered with to offer my services. So I'll just write something as simple as, the freelance gym instructor has partnered with Energy to offer you the best services. Something as simple as that. So maybe Energy is a well-known gym in the area, so that means your users will trust you. So finally, we can come to, let me just go back, let me undo that. So finally, we can come to the links. So we can add our social media links here. So make sure you click on the link button. As you can see, there it is. So I'll click on settings. My target will be a new window, and I'll say something as simple as https twitter.com /marketer b. So that is my Twitter handle. So I'll do the same for the LinkedIn. So I'm just going to place a dummy link, but instead of Twitter, I'll change it to LinkedIn, and the target is a new window. If you have Instagram, you can do the same for that. Settings, we'll change this to Instagram, and the target is going to be a new window. And finally, we'll do the same for Facebook. Facebook, and the target is a new window. Finally, I will come to the last bit. Instead of 2020, I'll change this to 2021. All rights reserved, and I'll say designed by the Freelance Gym Instructor. So you can decide to highlight this and add maybe a link, like a link tree, or something that contains, that has all the links to your social media accounts. And we can say it's a no, the target is a new window, and click OK. This means that every time your users click on that link, it's going to redirect them to, let's say, the link tree. So once you're done, we can view this and see if the changes have taken place. As you can see, everything has reflected, from the text to the color to the descriptions we gave for strategies to the testimonial of the client, and finally to the social media links. So as you can see, it's quite simple, and this is the link I had placed on there. I used my Twitter handle, and that is how it's going to look like. So finally, we can connect our domain. As you can see, this is the subdomain we're using. We're using OLITT subdomain, but I like to use my own domain. So I'll go back to my OLITT dashboard, and here I'll click on more actions, and then go to connect domain. So I'll connect an existing domain. If you don't have one, you can click on purchase your own domain and purchase your domain from OLITT. So I'll write something as simple as, this is a domain just for this tutorial. It's called your domain name .buzz. So we click on connect. So as you can see, this is a free account I'm using. So it's saying the site plan does not allow multiple custom domains. That's fine. So this domain, the name servers, I changed from my domain provider. I placed the OLITT name servers earlier, and also I changed the CNAME and added this 1495216. Added the error code for 95 and the CNAME 2.2 OLITT. So when we visit your domain, this is how it's going to look like. This is the OLITT brand, and since I'm using the free plan, it's going to be there. So as you can see, it's quite simple. So let's change this, the name of the website. So we'll go back to the OLITT dashboard, more actions, SEO, and finally here I'll write the Freelance Gym Instructor. I'll save that, and for a description I'll just write the same thing. I'll save that. So I can refresh. As you can see, it has reflected. You can also change the icon, but for this tutorial I'm not going to change the icon, but it's quite simple. So as you can see, it's quite simple to create your on-site using OLITT. This means that you'll be able to launch your business online and be able to earn using OLITT. So as you can see, the read more does redirect the users to the about page. So thanks for watching, and in case you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. And if you have any new suggestions for a new tutorial video, you can reach out to me as well. So until next time, stay safe.